Hi everyone, good morning. Thanks to Jan and team for organizing Ecosummit. It's the first time I've been here in the last 10 years actually. The event's got much bigger and better and it's very nice to be here. So I'm just going to do a brief introduction about Aramco Ventures, which is the group I work in. Aramco Ventures is a corporate venture capital organization. The corporate behind Aramco Ventures is of course Aramco, the Saudi national oil company. So I won't talk too much about Aramco. I think it's a fairly well-known organization, national oil company based in Saudi Arabia. We are within the corporate venture capital group investing actually from three funds. The biggest one and the newest one is a sustainability fund. That's why we're here. We're investing in sustainability startups. That's a $1.5 billion fund. We also invest in digital and industrial startups from our $500 million fund. And we have a deep tech non-energy fund called Prosperity 7 also. From these strategic funds, we're investing across US and Europe mainly, and also in pockets of Asia. We have globally actually more than 70 employees now, based in Asia, Europe, the US, and Saudi Arabia. In Europe, we're 10, 11 people just now. And from these investments, we're targeting financial returns. We want to make money on these investments. And also targeting strategic returns. And the strategic returns means Aramco benefiting economically from adopting the technologies that we invest in. And this shows the technologies that we are interested in. So we're really supporting with this sustainability fund the net zero by 2050 ambition of Aramco. So a lot of most of the technologies that we invest in, they're very much related to Aramco's operations. And it's related to decarbonization. So we're big into carbon capture, utilization, storage, renewables, energy storage, energy efficiency technology, nature-based solutions, and so on. On the other side, we're looking to help Aramco to be able to provide the market with low and zero carbon fuels. So we're interested in technologies related to hydrogen and the whole value chain of hydrogen production, transport, storage, and use. Related to that, of course, ammonia. Synthetic fuels and greenhouse gas tracing and trading. Main topics that we're interested in. So anything that could be used by Aramco in its operations, either internally or market-facing, is of interest to us. So for the startups out there, why engage with us as an organization? A few different reasons. One is we have an experienced team. We've actually been investing as Aramco Ventures since 2012. And most of the core team has been there since 2012, and with various different investing backgrounds before that. We, of course, have access to capital. That's most important. And for the startups out there, we don't just provide cash and hopefully clever people, but also we provide access to Aramco's various different business units, which means in the end we want the startups to have Aramco as a fairly sizable customer. So that's pretty valuable. And to help that, we have actually a team based in our head office in Saudi, which is doing this internal business development, so helping the startups that we invest in do business with the different business units of Aramco. Last main slide here, just to give an overview of what we've actually been doing over the years. The Sustainability Fund is fairly new, launched at the end of last year, but actually we've been investing in this space for a number of years. We have invested in over 100 companies since we started. And this is a snapshot of the European sustainability companies that we've invested in. Some of these, of course, you'll know. Grand Perspective, based in Berlin, that's an emissions detection company. Daphne from Switzerland is doing emissions reduction from ships. HTMS in Italy is an energy efficiency technology for air conditioning. Strom makes pipes, which can be used for hydrogen and CCUS. Carbon Clean is carbon capture. OxCCU, mentioned already by a couple of the presenters, is one of our newest investments, synthetics fuels company based in the UK. Hydrogen Mem-Tech, we're here yesterday pitching. They have a technology for the separation of hydrogen and different gases, pretty critical for the hydrogen industry. Oxymem and Typhon are two water technology companies, and NextWave, based here in Germany, a solar technology company. So come and see us if you think that you might have something that could fit our interests. I'm here today together with also my colleague Lisa. I want to stand up or say hi. Lisa's our new colleague, started just a few weeks ago, joining the team. So thank you very much.